Get ready for a showdown between two tech titans, the Huawei Mate 70 Air and the iPhone 17. On one side, the Mate 70 Air dazzles with a massive 7.0-inch LTPO OLED display pushing 4,000 nits peak brightness and a powerful Kirin 9020 AB chipset. On the other, the iPhone 17 boasts the cutting-edge Apple A19 chip and a stunning Super Retina XDR OLED screen with Dolby Vision. Which phone dominates in display quality, processing power, camera capabilities, battery life, and price? Can Huawei's dual Kirin chipsets and stylus support outshine Apple's polished ecosystem and advanced camera features? Stick around, because the ultimate question is, does the Mate 70 Air's aggressive pricing and innovation threaten Apple's throne? The Huawei Mate 70 Air's 7.0-inch LTPO OLED display stands out with an incredible 4,000 nits peak brightness and a vivid HDR certification, making it perfect for bright environments and immersive viewing. Its quad-curved design and Kunlun Glass protection add both style and durability. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 offers a slightly smaller 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED with Dolby Vision and a 3,000 nits peak, delivering exceptional color accuracy and contrast. The Mate's higher brightness and advanced PWM dimming make it the winner here for outdoor visibility and eye comfort. Under the hood, the Huawei Mate 70 Air packs a 12-core Kirin 9020 AB chipset, combining high efficiency and multitasking prowess with a 2.5 GHz peak clock and a Maleo 920 GPU. In contrast, the iPhone 17 runs on Apple's A19 chip with a 3nm process and a 5-core GPU optimized for power efficiency and gaming performance. The Mate's diverse core setup and dual Kirin chipsets hint at superior multitasking and cooling capabilities, giving it a slight edge for power users. Huawei Mate 70 Air shines with BDS satellite messaging for two-way communication, stylus support for productivity, and vapor chamber cooling to keep performance stable. The iPhone 17 counters with emergency SOS via satellite, live voicemail, and ultra-wideband Gen 2 support for precise device tracking and connectivity. Both bring impressive extras, but Huawei's stylus and satellite messaging push it ahead for users needing versatility and rugged communication. The Mate 70 Air's triple camera setup features a standout 50MP main sensor with OIS and a 3x optical zoom telephoto lens, delivering sharp, versatile shots. The iPhone 17 counters with dual 48-megapixel sensors, including a sensor shift OIS wide lens and a 120-degree ultra-wide, plus advanced video recording up to 4K 60fps with Dolby Vision. Huawei's higher resolution main sensor and optical zoom make it ideal for detailed photography, but Apple's video capabilities are unmatched. Huawei impresses with laser autofocus, AI-assisted composition, and Ultra HD panorama, enhancing photo quality and creativity. The iPhone's strengths lie in its fusion camera technology, center stage front camera for perfect video calls, and photographic styles for personalized photo aesthetics. Huawei's AI and zoom features favor photography enthusiasts, while Apple excels in video and user-friendly camera modes. The Mate 70 Air boasts a massive 6,500 mAh Li-ion battery, promising extended usage and less frequent charging. The iPhone 3692 mAh battery is smaller, but paired with Apple's efficient A19 chip for balanced endurance. Huawei clearly leads in raw battery capacity, ideal for heavy users and travelers. Huawei Mate 70 Air offers IP68 IP69 certification with resistance to high-pressure water jets and stylus support, making it rugged and versatile. The iPhone 17 has IP68 water resistance up to 6 meters and supports Apple Pay with certified payment options. Huawei's extra durability and stylus support cater to active users, while Apple focuses on seamless ecosystem integration. Huawei provides more RAM options, up to 16 gig, and storage configurations reaching 512 gig, appealing to power users and multitaskers. The iPhone 17 maxes out at 8 gigabytes RAM, but also offers up to 512 gig storage. Huawei's higher RAM capacities gives it an advantage for intensive applications. Price-wise, the Huawei Mate 70 Air ranges from $590 to $800 plus, significantly undercutting the iPhone 17 starting price around $1,100. This aggressive pricing makes Huawei an attractive option for users seeking flagship features without the premium Apple cost.